Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cookies and cream milkshake, easy method. Start by gathering 2 cups cold vanilla ice cream, 1 cup milk, and 6 crushed sandwich cookies. Blend briefly to keep texture and avoid overmixing. Taste and add 1 tablespoon sugar if you prefer it sweeter, or a splash more milk for a thinner shake. Serve in a chilled glass with whipped cream and an extra cookie on top. Warm up your blender with a quick cold rinse, then add 2 cups ice cream, 1 cup milk, and 6 crushed cookies. Pulse 6 to 8 times, checking texture between pulses so cookie bits remain. If the shake is too thick, add 1 to 2 tablespoons milk at a time until desired consistency. Pour into a chilled glass, top with whipped cream and a cookie, and enjoy right away for the best flavor. Experiment with mix-ins like a handful of mini chocolate chips, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, or a drizzle of chocolate syrup for contrast. Try crushed mint cookies or swap half the cookies for chocolate sandwich cookies to tweak flavor. If you want a thicker shake, add 1/4 cup more ice cream. For thinner, add milk by the tablespoon. Taste as you go so sweetness and texture match your preference every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.